Alright guys, so this is a 7-day follow-up. So this is the Dazzle Dry side. And I can't see here through the camera now, but I think there's a little chip here. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The shine is very good. I mean, it's like a nail polish, very good nail polish shine. It's not like a gel shine, but very good. Yeah. And the other hand. And this is the Douglas side. So there is a little chip here. Okay, let's just not forget that he's not really taking care of these nails. So
no.
This is like putting these nails through pretty consistent abuse.
Correct.
Not using oil.
Correct.
And there was like a wear slash chip here. Not bad though. For a week, I think this is great.
Mm-hmm.
Both of them.
Correct.
So at this point, I do recommend taking the polish off and doing warm oil soak and just waiting a day for reapplication. The question of the day. What do you think wore better? What do you prefer?
You're asking me?
Yeah, the viewers and you.
I think,
no difference, eh?
Not really. There's really no difference as far as I'm concerned. They're wearing about the same amount of shine.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you guys think?